How I'm doing out the door there? What am I going with? What the man them say? What the boys them say? What the girls them say? Boys and girls, you happen now, as we say, Pat Bottom, it's been out there for a few days and, you know, and we need to let the people know what really are going or what it's all about when it come on to the Pat Bottom kitchen, yes? Our main objective is to get the message out there to the younger generation. Let them know, just to let them know what Jamaica food is like and what it means to the wider population, or the stigma what it brings throughout the world. And our culture originally based on our food which we put along or put across to the world, and what we do in Jamaica as a people. Our culture is our food, and we at Pat Bottom, we try, or we want to, or we're willing to explain, demonstrate, showcase the Jamaica cuisine on a wide space. Okay? As we all know that all our Jamaican food have been cooked already, have been demonstrated already, have been eaten already. Yeah? But one of the main things what I've discovered over the past 5-6 years, but I would say 10 years, the younger generation does not know much about our food that we eat, type of settings that we create around our culture. And that's what Pat Bottom I'm going to bring to the table. And as I said, I reach out to all Jamaican, I would say people that are foreign, you know, people all over the world. When you're Jamaican, you need to have full understanding of where we are coming from and where we are now. Yes. And that's one of the things. When a man question you up on the road and asks you what that, you can say, yeah man, what I say man? Jamaica, you know, Jamaican thing, and so you think set up our food, you know, people discover us. And that's what it's all about. When you say Pat Bottom, we know what is Pat Bottom. Ask a Jamaican, the average Jamaican, ask the average Jamaican, what is Pat Bottom? I said, yeah man, Pat Bottom, yo, I left over the scrapings of the pot, you know. Yeah man, if I rice and peas, get the Pat Bottom catch, that we ask mama for, the Pat Bottom. For pea soup, at the bottom there, everything boil down and you know, it'll burn, we say burn, catch at the bottom. The kids them say, our mama, let me get the Pat Bottom, let me get the scrapings. So we all come from, that's where we all arrived this name. Well, this name pop up in my head and said, oh listen, Pat Bottom, because the food already eat off. As we know, the food already eats, so we need to know why the food at the Pat Bottom so nice and it's so sweet, you know, and we always ask for it because that's where the real magic is, Pat Bottom. And that's why we really come up with Pat Bottom Kitchen. And you know, we need to put it out there to the world where Pat Bottom Kitchen come and what it's really all about. Alright, so we're talking about the grassroots of Jamaican cooking, the traditional cooking of Jamaica. Yeah? If you ask a young Jamaican, yo, what is banana? Or what kind of banana? You know what is banana, but him look on a plant and tell us a banana same way. Yes? And him look on a piece of apple and tell us, yo, it's just a yam, you know. But in Jamaica we have it different. In Jamaica we have it separate and it's named different and you know, it look different. Yeah, yellow yam. We have yellow yam, yes. What kind of yam that? Yellow yam in a but yes, it's yellow, but it have a name. Yeah, in my side of the country we have pum pum yam. That's what we say. The one with round. We call that one the pum pum yam. We still have a straight one that come from down in Albert Town. Yeah, man. Trelawney. Yes, man. We have a long one that we use on roast. You know, just to know, say, boy, we have different type of yam. At the same time, we grow the long one to in Portland. Yes. But every area Jamaica grow different type of or different looks of food, and we need to get that out to the younger generation. That we can always keep our tradition and our food thing going. You know, our food train. You know, or the food going. That's all I have to say. We need to have that. The Jamaican our culture based on our food. I've been working in the food industry for over 32 years. I've been in the food business, yeah, and tourism. I've been there 32 years abroad, Jamaica, hotel in Jamaica, and you know, within my community, you know, we do a lot of that. You know, a lot of the things that you know make people happy, or food that make people happy. You know, so this is one of the main things. So when you feature Pat Bottom Kitchen, when you go to Pat Bottom Kitchen, you're really going to see the things that not highlighted now. So we have highlighted things that we know the younger generation need to know, and the one that need to get in the tourist business. And when they go talk to a foreigner, yes, when they go talk to a foreigner and them ask them about the food, they can say, yeah man, where are some man? That, you know. Banana in Jamaica, dasheen in Jamaica, plantain in Jamaica. We have cocoa in Jamaica where we have probably, well, what I know, we can learn upon it and we need to know more. Naturally, I know 3 types of cocoa. Yeah? In the dasheen world, I know like 4 types of dasheen. Or, yeah, 3 or 4 types of dasheen. That's so different. And you wonder. And the reason why it's different, it probably tastes the same, but you have different looks and it grows different. Yes, the banana, we probably have 4 different types of banana at Jamaica, or 5, you know, that we have that established, that we know a food thing that we know as Soigo. Yes, and when we talk about the fruits, we have thousands of different names. And then again, mango. Every parish you go, same mango have a different name. Yes? But the basic mango that we have at Jamaica that everybody know, stringy mango, number 11 mango, East Indian, and Julian, yes, Julie mango, yeah, and sweetie, right, may I tell you. So probably me tell you say sweetie and then an next parish I tell you say we have a different name, the one that we call sweetie, and we have long mango, all right. So and then again we have some big one, what we call flower mango. So as we go along, we are going to tell you exactly the type of food and how, you know, we differentiate the food. So that's what Pat Bottom all about. We have jerk, you know, one of the main things, one of the major food in Jamaica that, you know, outsiders, people abroad come and say, okay, we need to check the jerk out. Is it jerk chicken, jerk fish, jerk pork, you know? We want to know the jerk, what it's all about. And at Pat Bottom, we take it to the limit. We take it all the way down there, from the animals alive until it's in the mouth eating. So that's where we have it. So all depends on where you are in the world. And you said Jamaica. I'm going to say, yeah man, where are some? And I think that, yeah man, I think that jerk pork, jerk chicken and the thing. And we have the rice and peas. Everybody cook them rice and peas different. Everybody have a different thing what them do with them rice and peas. Because everybody rice and peas good. Every kitchen you go, rice and peas are the best. You know, we have rice and peas, we have different peas. Some people no cook red bean, some people no have Portland red, some people no do gungo. And you know, as I say, people have different type of thing where they cook them rice and peas. So when you say rice and peas, the rice and peas not halfy red, so to speak. All depends on the peas they put inside. Yeah? Called gungo peas, when you say gungo rice and peas. Gungo. Gungo rice and peas are something. You know, look like the traditional, what we always see out there abroad when you go there and say, yeah, rice and peas, that, you know. Yeah, I say, no, gungo rice and peas. But a lot of people really don't know. You know, so as we said, the younger generation really don't understand, you know, the stigma around our food. And that again, we can't blame them because the world is so, you know, advanced and technology and everything take you away from the roots a lot. You know, take you away from the, and people don't, naturally people don't have the time. They go to the countryside and, you know, and dig it up and figure it out, you know. And that's one of the reasons why we take it and pat that on kitchen. My culture is one of my things that I'm a patriotic person. You know, as you see me, I'm one of the men that, listen man, you don't mess with my flag. You know, I believe in what my flag stands for. Yes? And at Pat Batan Kitchen, you know, that's where we take it to the world. We take it to the world and tell the world that, listen, this is what Jamaica all about. Yes? So as I said before, and I'm going to say it again, the younger people, I have to believe, I could be wrong, but I have to believe that we don't know much about our food and where our food really, you know, arrive, and how it arrives and how it come by and what we do to get it out there. Yes? So we're going to take you around Jamaica. Pat Batan is going to do that. We're going to take you around Jamaica. Yeah? And Pat Batan will pop up at any town, village, you know, anywhere in the city. Pat Batan going to pop up and say, yo, see that? See the tire, yeah? See the dasheen, yeah? Yeah? See the yellow, yeah? See the difference, yeah? See how we cook it, yeah? And that's how we're going to do with that. Pat Batan, so Pat Batan will have it. Jamaican people, we have everything on top, you know, and we are very resilient people. I can tell you, you know, we have ups and downs in our country, you know. As we say in Jamaica, donkey said it hurt no level at all, you know, and that's one of the things. It's a roller coaster thing, you know. It's a roller coaster ride when you come on to Jamaica. We have our peaks, yes, and we have our lows, yeah. And you know, the great thing about it, we enhance everything and bring out the goodness of all that we demonstrate to us. So that's what we do at Pat Batan. And I've experienced, I've seen a lot of things, you know, I've discovered a lot of things, meet different people, and I've come to the full conclusion that there's nothing compared to Jamaica, nowhere compared to Jamaica with all our beauties, you know, and all our, you know, hospitality, you know. So stay cooking, yeah, stay eating. We're going to do all of that, you know, and keep watching, you know, Pat Batan Kitchen, because we are going to take it out there for all of you to discover the things that we don't know. Young people abroad, old people abroad, everybody, you know, things that people that leave Jamaica over the years and, well, probably kind of lose their mojo a little bit. We're going to bring it back to you and say, oh yes, we remember that, you know, I used to never saw you that, but, you know, you're going to make it know. Well, if I saw the case, everything that we do, we're looking forward to your comments and your suggestions, because you probably have a person that knew something different. You understand? I know I do it different. And we want to know how we should put it out there and let the younger people that does not have the opportunity to really go out there and see, let them see on the social media platform. Yes? So that's what it's all about. Pat Batan Kitchen, you know, and big up everyone that pushed me and said, yo, do this man, you know, so you can cook. You know, everybody. Boy, my friends, them will sit down and we talk and we eat. You say, yo, put the food out there. I believe in everything natural. Natural stuff, seasoning, everything. And I reach out to all my friends, my family, everybody that support who don't hear about it as yet. So you gotta touch that subscribe button. You know, share this, share with us. You know, send on the link, Pot Bottom Kitchen. Alright, thanks for all of you viewers out there. I really appreciate your happenings, whatever you do. Yeah, we really appreciate your comments. We really appreciate, you know, your feedback. Subscribe, go to YouTube, go Pot Bottom. One word. Those young boys and girls that does not know, don't be shy. Send on your comment and ask question. We are willing to answer your question every time. You know, if you want to know about Jamaican food, younger folks does not get the opportunity to go out there and see. So we're going to put it on your TV screen. Alright? 3 A's. Appreciate it. Your awareness. Appetizing. Yes. So that's over there. The 3 A's. You have to know. You have to capture the thing. You have to do it in Pot Bottom. Yeah? You know, say not more. Thanks. And I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, man. Cheers. Alright. Take care of yourself. Sooner or later.